Hey you guys, welcome back. I am back in the Dollar Tree and I'm gonna start over here in the cosmetics section just because I normally bypass it because I don't usually see a whole lot, but today as I scanned through here I did see a few things I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so way up here, which I can't see, I'm going to do like this and show you guys. Those were some fingernail polishes up there that I can't reach, so I just did that. They do have the nail kit here. Up here as well, they have the Halloween nails. Like that, the Enchanted brand. Okay, what else? They got a lot of the LA colors, of course. What is that? Liquid eye. Oh yeah, that liquid eyeshadow. Here's the silicone facial brushes for the mask or the mask applicator. Here's some of the Mentos Lip Balms. The blue one is mint. They have the strawberry and the orange. Okay, they got some eyelashes up here. Red, green. That one is called Slay, which is, I think, blue. I can't see it. And then this purple one, you guys, I'm on my tippy toes, is Girl Boss. Yeah, so that's up there. They still have the Simple Colors Pout lipstick. Oh, what are these? Cosmic Eye Pencil. Illuminate Your Eyes. Shimmer Finish. This one is called Starlight. I see Sun Flare. Let's see, is that Starlight? There's the blue one that's called Rocket Man. Moonwalk is silver. This dark gray is called Space Cadet. And then the purple one is called Venus. Let's see, Auto Eyeliner. Here's the brushes that I just recently showed you. The foundation, the contour, and I think there's an eyeshadow one back there. LA Colors Unmasking Beauty Color Stick in Metallic. You got copper, rose gold, white is OMG, rad, and then look at that purple. That's pretty. There's a silver called Silver. More of the soak off nail caps, sponges. Oh God, there's more stuff up there. Let's see what this is. A Cosmic Lip Topper. Use on top of lip color, Cosmic Effect. This is Lunar. Okay, let me see if I can get the other one. The purple is Stellar. This one is called Magnetic. That's kind of pretty. This one is Asteroid, kind of like a pinkish purple. And I have to step back to see if that's it. I think that might be it up there. Right next to it, you got some glitter gloss. Princess Vibes. Ooh, my neck is hurting, you guys. Multi-dimensional sparkle. This one is called Princess Vibes. This one is Champagne Bubbles. Oh, that's pretty. I might try that one. Whew. This one is Gypsy Gems. You got Rockstar Glam. That one is really pretty. And then I see a red one. Oh my gosh. This one, two things fell. I gotta put those back. And this one is Enchantress. That's really pretty. Let me pick these up. Okay, right next to that you got some metal lipsticks. I think those have been here, so I'm not gonna take those down. They do have a lot of colors, but right here, I've never seen this before. Prism Gel. Iridescent body glitter, and this one is called Mermaid. Oh god, there's how many more up there? You got Fairy Wings is pink. The purple says Rockstar. The next one is Ice Princess. And then this last one is Goddess. Okay, you guys, that was a lot of work. More of these face masks in aloe vera and tea tree. That was the blue one. There is one, a green one. That was back there. The cucumber one as well. And as far as the makeup, I think that might be it. That was a lot of new stuff. Let me see, just scan back through. Okay, yeah, that was a lot of new stuff that I hadn't seen before, so let's keep walking around. They still have these. Right here, you got some new bath bombs. Starry Sky. They're right next to these that they usually have, but this is different. Starry Sky and Galactic Vanilla Berry. Right here I see some charcoal infused bath gloves. You got the black, the gray, and exfoliating bath cloth. It feels kind of soft. I wouldn't say it's too exfoliating. And this one is a little more rough. Exfoliating bath cloth. I think I would get this one first. Oh look, okay, so now I'm finding looks like black or gray up there, and the green. I saw the green one, the mats. And in my last video I was like, oh, you can DIY with those, and everybody kept saying you can make pillows. I'm like, I already made pillows with placemats like 2 or 3 years ago. So I'm trying to think of something else I can do with that. Not a rug, not a pillow. I'm thinking of something. I don't know what I'm gonna come up with, but we'll see. Okay, I remember the fur flip-flops being here, but I don't remember seeing the leopard print. So I see some leopard as well as the zebra. I remember the camouflage and the plain ones like the rainbows, but these are different. Oh, when I walked in, they had these cute solar lights. I had to come back up here to show you guys. The cats, look at the ghost, so cute, and the pumpkins. I like the ghost. Okay, right here, every now and then I stumble across a new sticker, wall sticker. This one is really cute, and it's kind of metallic. It says, I'm really a mermaid. So that's what that one would look like. Really cute. Okay, this is my first time seeing tube confetti, but you get 3 bags, silver, gold, and this pretty white right here. And then they also have it in green, red, and blue. That's different. And they are also bringing back their glitter, their little packs of glitter. You got this set right here, and also the pinks and the purples. Oh, there is the blues back there and the greens. This is also another good item. Just different packaging. They usually carry it like that. But these little fastener dots, the little Velcro, I like those. And I remember there was a time I was looking for these and I could never find them. And look at, here they are. The mirror mosaic stickers. Oh my goodness. I see the white. They also have pink. And then there's gold back there. And then up here I see these new stickers. Look at those. Those are so cute with the little strawberries. You are the very best. Okay, this kind of looks like Valentine's Day, but with the fox, it could be fall. I'm not sure. And then they also have this one with the bubble gum and the unicorns. And look at the little fairy. She's so cute. Here's some cute little Christmas pins. This is silicone light up pen. Okay, and they come in red or green. Oh, look at that reusable bag. That's kind of cute. And I believe they have that in black and white as well. Okay, you guys, that's gonna be it today in Dollar Tree. This was a different location. I'm surprised I stopped in because they had a bunch of new makeup. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of this, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Okay, bye.